Welcome to the threshold. OpenAI's operator is here, and it could change everything. We're talking about a fully autonomous AI agent that doesn't just chat, it acts. Operator can book flights, order groceries, make reservations, and even handle expense reports, all through its own built-in web browser. This is the future of AI automation, and today we're diving deep into what Operator can do, where it's headed, and the risks that come with it. Unlike ChatGPT, which is designed for conversation, Operator is an action-based AI agent. It doesn't just tell you how to book a flight, it actually navigates a website, clicks buttons, fills out forms, and completes transactions for you. It works with companies like Instacart, Uber, and eBay, allowing it to process a handwritten grocery list, build your cart, and schedule a delivery, all on its own. Built-in web browser Operator can browse the internet just like a human and interact with websites. Automated actions. It can click, scroll, type, and submit forms without you needing to lift a finger. Seamless integrations. OpenAI has partnered with major companies, so Operator can interact directly with supported platforms. User control. You can intervene at any point during an automated process to make adjustments. Right now, Operator is in a research preview available only to ChatGPT Pro users in the US. This early version is focused on basic automation, and OpenAI is actively refining its capabilities before rolling it out to more users. But OpenAI has big plans. They've already announced that Operator will expand to more countries, more services, and more automation features over time. Eventually, it could become a personal AI assistant that handles nearly all online interactions for you. Smarter AI decision-making. Future versions will improve at making judgment calls based on preferences. Full integration with smart homes and workflows. Imagine Operator ordering your groceries, scheduling your doctor's appointments, and managing your calendar, all without direct input. More customization and personalization. AI that learns your preferences and acts accordingly. Enterprise-level AI agents. Businesses could deploy Operator-like assistants to handle customer service, IT support, and automated logistics. As exciting as Operator is, it also comes with major risks that OpenAI will need to address. Security concerns, giving an AI full access to your accounts and payment details, that's a hacker's dream. OpenAI is working on safety protocols, but the risk is clear. AI overreach. What happens if Operator books the wrong flight, orders too much food, or submits the wrong information? Users may have limited control after actions are taken. Scalability issues. If Operator becomes widely used, server overload and processing speed could become major obstacles. Job displacement. If AI agents handle customer service, scheduling, and logistics, what happens to human jobs? There's no doubt, Operator is one of the biggest leaps in AI automation we've seen. It could make life easier, streamline businesses, and redefine how we interact with the digital world. But like all powerful AI, it comes with risks that must be managed carefully. What do you think? Are AI agents like Operator the future, or is this a step too far? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI updates from The Threshold.